A sparkline is a tiny chart in a worksheet cell that provides a visual representation of data. Use sparklines to show trends in a series of values such as seasonal increases or decreases, economic cycles, or to highlight maximum and minimum values. So let's start. First I add line sparkline in this column. I format this data, click this cell reference. I change the background color of this cell reference. Suppose I select this color. Then I change the background color of this header. First select the cell references range. Then click this arrow button. I select this color. Then I change the background color of country's name. Select this cell reference range. Suppose I select this color. Then I add border. Select this cell reference. Click on all borders. Then select this cell references range. Click on all borders. Then select this cell references range. Click on all borders. I add bottom border in this row. First select this row. Click this arrow button. Click on bottom border. Then I add right and left border in this column. Click on left border. Then click on right border. Now I add line sparklines in this column. To insert line sparklines, first select this cell references range. Then click Insert tab. In Sparklines group, click on Line Sparkline. The Create Sparklines dialog box opens. In Choose the data that you want box, the data range is already selected. In Choose where you want the sparklines to be placed, select the location. Select this cell reference, click OK. I see here sparkline of this data row is created. To create sparklines of other data rows, paste this sparkline in other cells. Drag and drop down. Then I can format these lines. Click this arrow button. I have many styles here. First I select these options. Before selecting these options, I increase the size of this row. First select all these rows, then increase the size of this row, then press Enter key. I see the size of all rows is increased. Then click on Sparkline tab. Check first point, last point, select markers, then click this arrow button. Suppose I select this style or I select this style. I can change the marker colors and I can change the sparkline colors. Suppose I select this color and I change the marker colors. I have many options here. I can change high point, low point, first point and last point colors. Suppose I select last point color, this color, or I select first point color, this color. In this way, sparklines are added. Next, I add column sparkline. First, I format this data, select this cell reference, change the background color of this cell. I select this color, then I change the background color of this header. I select this color, then I change the background color of countries. I select this color. After that, I add border. Select this cell reference. Select all borders. Then select this header. Select all borders. Then select this cell references range. Select all borders. I add only bottom border in this row. Click on bottom border. Then select this cell references range. I add left and right borders. Click on left border. Then click on right border. After that, to insert column sparkline in this column, first select this cell references range, click Insert tab, then click on column sparkline. Choose the data you want. This range is already selected in this box. In this box, choose the location of column sparkline. Select this cell reference, click OK. Then I paste this sparkline in other cells. Drag and drop down. After that, I increase the width of each row. First select these rows. Increase the size of this row. Press click button and click enter key. I see the width of each row is increased. Next, I format this sparkline. Click Sparkline tab, then click Style arrow button. There are many styles. Suppose I select this style. After that, click Axis. In vertical axis minimum value options, select Same for all sparklines option. Then I can change the color of each column. Click this arrow button and first point color, this color, and the eye point color, this color, and the last point color, this color, or I can select this color. In this way, column sparklines are added in the Excel worksheet. Next, I add win or loss sparkline. This sparkline is very useful when positive and negative values are in the dataset. The bars in the sparkline are in the opposite direction. Then it is easy to identify positive and negative values. First, I format this dataset. Click this cell reference. Click this arrow button. I change the background color this color. Then I change the background color of this header. I select this color. Then I change the background color of countries. I select this color. Then I add borders. Select all borders. Then select this header. Select all borders. Then select this cell references range. Click on all borders. After that, I add bottom border in this row. Select bottom border. Then I add right and left borders in this column. Select right border. Then select left border. To insert win or loss sparkline in this cell, first select this cell references range. Click Insert tab. Then click on Win or Loss Sparkline. In this box, data range is already selected. In this box, select the location of Win or Loss Sparkline. Click OK. Then paste this sparkline in other cells. Drag and drop down. After that, I increase the width of each row. First select these rows. Increase the width of this row. Hold down click button, then press enter key. I see all bars in same direction because all values in dataset are positive. If I enter any value is negative, the direction of bar is changed. Select this cell reference, enter subtraction operator, press enter key. I see here the direction of this bar is changed because this cell has negative value. Right click on this cell, click format cells. I see here many format options. I can select this option and I can select this option. Similarly, select this cell reference or select this cell reference. Enter subtraction operator, press enter key. I see here the direction of this bar is changed because this cell has negative value. I format this cell. Click format cells. Select this format option, click OK. Again select this cell reference, enter subtraction operator, press enter key. Then select this cell reference, enter subtraction operator, press enter key. Then select this cell reference, enter subtraction operator, press enter key. Then select this cell reference, enter subtraction operator, press enter key. Then select this cell reference, enter subtraction operator, press enter key. I format these two cells. Right click, click format cells, select this option, click OK. After that, I can format these bars. Click Sparkline tab, then click this arrow button. I select this style. In this group, I can also change the type of sparkline. Suppose I select column. By changing this option, I see here the height of bar is changed because I have selected column. If I select win or loss type, I see here the height of each bar is equal, but negative bars are in opposite direction. In this way, sparklines are added in the Excel worksheet.